Alright, that was it. That was the little start. Right now, I'm actually vlogging using the Canon EOS R. Pretty good lens right now. This is a Canon EF-L series lens. It's 16 to 35mm. So this is a pretty good lens over here. You guys can see it. It's pretty heavy a little bit. So this is a full frame camera, full frame mirrorless camera. So a little bit detail from the beginning. It's like before, whenever I use DSLR to vlog, it's usually shaky a lot. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, I'm doing it on purposely. So I really want to know if this guy make a difference or not. Right now, I do not have the image stabilization on the lens, also on the camera body. So I will be, right now, if I snap my finger, I am putting the image stabilization on the lens right now. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Alright, right now I am on the image stabilization. I put on standard, so it should be good, it should be okay. So just for a disclaimer that this camera is not mine. This setup over here, probably $5,000. Since it should be pretty expensive. So this setup is actually from one of my friends, and we just tested out. Like, so he got a Sony a7 III and this guy Canon EOS-R. So we just want to test it out, so make a different video, see which camera actually perform better. So this entire video gonna shoot in full HD. Then I will be editing on the iPad Pro. Let's just see like how this guy works so far. So right now you guys see a cropping a little bit if I use the image stabilization, but I threw what I'm looking right now here, so it should be still pretty good. iPad Pro doesn't really support the image stabilization like Final Cut Pro before, so it's a little bit challenging, but it should be good. And I'll be also using a gimbal for some of my shots here, so this is a nice shot. Then let's see you guys tomorrow. Alright, right now I am shooting on the regular contrast, regular sharpness on the Canon EOS R. Now I'm gonna try to bring it up on AV mode, nothing changed. Bring up the contrast, bring up the sharpness, so let's see.
So from what I'm looking at right now, I did not see a big difference between the default and the high contrast. It looks like they are on a different white balance, but everything has been matched. For the next part, I'm trying to balance my Canon EOS R on the RONIN because it has a Canon L series lens, which means has a bigger and heavier lens. Even it's just a 16 to 35mm, but it's still pretty heavy, and you might also need like a stronger gimbal like RONIN. And this is how it looks after I balance it. So for the next part, because the Canon EOS R is a wider ceiling camera, so I did take it with me to the swimming pool to test out the waterproof function on here. And I did do some 120 frame slow motion shot and take it underwater, see how it performs. Oh, I'm just kidding. This is actually from my iPhone. So I don't know why I just put iPhone clip into a Canon EOS R review video, but I just feel it's funny, maybe. Alright, so right now I'm shooting on camera A right now, so this is camera A, and I won't tell you what camera it is. So let's see. So right now when I snap my finger, we're gonna change to camera B. Then I'll let you guys tell me which camera is which. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so we are on the exactly same setting on the AV mode, exactly same lens. Right now we are on camera number 2. Right now we are on camera number 2. So tell me which one is it. Camera number 1 is the Canon EOS R, or Canon 2 is the Canon EOS R, and why? So I don't know about for you guys, so for me it's pretty easy to tell. So the camera number 1 is actually the Canon EOS R. The camera number 2 is the Canon 7070. The way to tell, you just look at the Canon EOS R. It has the more sharper depth of field because from the full frame sensor, and the cropping on the Canon 7070 just pretty obvious right here. Alright guys, so I'm out here basically on a random place. Let me check out all the... Oh my goodness, this f2.8 aperture just ridiculous good. Okay, right now it's really dark right here. I definitely see more through the camera instead of like see more through like my eyes right here. Just give you like a little bit detail like what's going on. How dark is it right now? Let me find my iPhone. Alright, this is basically how iPhone looks right here. Oh, I mean, it seems like the DSLR actually make the iPhone looks better somehow.
Okay, this video has been a long time so far. I trying to shoot this video like from the first clip you guys see until now on. It's already about 2 weeks right now. I just don't get a chance to finish the video. At least I got something happening, or like sometimes it just doesn't really go well. Whatever, like the weather and stuff. Today is the last day that actually has a good weather. Then this weekend is my birthday. Maybe I'm gonna film something, maybe not. Up my finger. We're gonna switch to iPhone. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Right now we are on the iPhone, and I'm gonna put this footage side by side actually. Just give you like a little comparison which one is better. iPhone in my oh shoot. Okay, right now it's definitely better on both sides. So I got Canon on the right side, iPhone on the left side, so I kind of stare in the middle, so I'm not really staring like most cameras. So just iPhone is like this camera, the Canon EOS are definitely like more wider and stuff. I mean the same distance. I put a cell phone same distance. So iPhone maybe like not that wide, but actually it has a basically about 24mm for the back camera, like the main camera in the back. So that's a wide angle lens. Okay, so my camera almost dead. So that's pretty much for today. Alright guys, so switch my hand a little. Okay, so I think you guys can see me. We're just done for the beach shooting at Santa Monica, which we're gonna actually go to the last part is at the Santa Monica Pier actually. So right now we are at the Santa Monica beach. It's incredible how the EOS are handling the low light situation like this. I'm with the f2.8 like the lens on it, so it doesn't look grainy at all, and I think just perfect. So yeah, so we're just heading back, and we're happy to actually go back to Irvine after that. All right, let's go.